G'day guys, welcome back to another episode of Greg from Oakesy Adventures. In this episode I had nothing but dramas when it came to the GoPros and my equipment. It was a stinking hot 40-degree day and we decided to go to Collie for an overnight camp, and the great start is we left the batteries home for the drone. We also left a number of batteries home for the GoPros as well, and they also played up the whole time. Well, it was just the heat, but they did play up, and lost a fair bit of footage for this video. I managed to stitch together what I think makes a decent video, and what I could salvage, and I hope you do enjoy it. And with that, let's get into it. There's not too much full driving in this one because I lost a lot of that footage as well, and also we were running out of time as well trying to get there because we did get lost. Anyway guys, I'll leave you with it. I hope you enjoy this video. See you guys. Well, okay, so we sort of found a spot, and from the last time I visited this area, I'm actually dumbfounded how much the water's gone. So yeah, the water was right up. So I'll give you an example. Last time I was here, basically that tree right in front of you was where the water would actually start. And as you can see now, it's actually just about all gone. Yeah, it's remarkable on what 12 months or 18 months can do. So we're actually visiting about the same time. So we were down here in a marron season, which is in January, and we're here now in mid-Feb, and well, 12 months later, big difference. But never mind, that's what you get, I suppose. Everything changes, and so we're going to set up camp, set the swags up. Yeah, we got lost because I took we did a pinpoint on the old Google Maps, and we come in on a different track, and we ended up getting lost, and we got stuck between two big hills, and we had to work our way back out again. So too much videoing of that. We were trying to get back here as quick as we could before we ran out of daylight. But anyway guys, yeah, so we'll set up camp and we'll leave you with it. Alright, so set up camp. It's pushing 7:30 now, and we're going to sit back and have a couple of beers, have a bit of a feed. There we are. There's my swag set up. There's Aaron's done. Chair's over there. Look out over what's left of the water in the dam. And with that guys, we'll leave it here, and I'll see you in the morning. We'll probably put the canoe in, a bit of a paddle, see what's there, and have some breakfast and that, and then yeah, so just gonna be a real quick video on overnighter, and hope you enjoy it. See you guys.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within, calling. This heavy load got under your skin, hauling. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for collision in the night.
Oh, good morning guys. It was absolutely a beautiful evening last night. We got up pretty early, packed everything up, and we're out of here. So we're going to head down to a couple of little points of interest on the way back home. So well, it's not over yet. So we're going to check them out. There's a couple of little swimming holes, hopefully. We decided not to put the canoe in here, as there's not a lot of water, and so we'll find somewhere. If not, won't be using it, but hopefully we can use it somewhere. And yeah, so I said good night. Good feed. Campground was nice. Yeah. I was hit the road. Do we go for a swim?
Yeah, I can go for a swim somewhere.
Yep.
You know, cool off, and then cruise home.
We just come down to the Collie River, and just checking out a few other spots.
You gonna have a swim, Greg?
Nice little spot. There's more here than the dam. We'll walk up a bit further up and have a look. Nice little campsite there.
Yeah, even up here.
Yeah,
Pretty cool, isn't it?
it's not a bad spot.
Good. That's kind of nice, actually. Yeah.
Nice and flat.
Mm.
Another pretty little spot in Collie. We'll go and look at that pool, eh?
Yeah. Yeah.
What we're going to do?
Yeah.
What was it called?
I think so.
Minning Up? What was it pool called? Not too sure.
I don't remember the name of it. Eh? Definitely.
Don't
It
look.
was only just as we left out of.
It wasn't too far. It's not far from town.
No.
We'll go and check it out anyway.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Ah, this is spot on. Yeah, this will be alright. I'll take a bit of a day. What do you reckon that is over there?
I don't know. Getting nice. I'm sitting in the back here. It's like fry tuck. You're pedalling. It's good.
It's actually not that bad, eh?
No.
It's cruising. Oh, it's hot, alright, that's for sure.
No, we decided to have a bit of a swim. And this is that pool, eh?
Yeah. It's
Definitely.
Gotta be, yeah.
We just come from the back
Can't remember the
side
name
of it.
but
Yeah. We'll go. We'll show the name up on it, and when we find out what it is, we'll show the name up anyway. But definitely worth a day trip out.
oh, the water's temperature is just bang on, isn't it?
Oh, it's perfect.
So nice. And what is it? It's probably what? 9:30?
9:30 in
Yeah.
the morning. 9:30, and
Right.
it's about 35 degrees already outside.
Yeah, it's warm outside.
Yeah.
Nice in here though.
Yeah, nice in here. Yeah.
Yeah. Not complaining.
I think on the way back we'll go and call into that Black Diamond.
Yeah.
I've never been there before. Check
Yeah.
that out.
I'd like to have a look. Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
And then start heading back home.
Yeah. Yep.
Guys, we'll carry on with our swim, and we'll see you when we're back on the road heading out to Black Diamond.
Yep. Perfect.
Alright, we just arrived at Black Diamond, and day use area only. It's pretty specky. Starting to warm up now, eh? It's getting hot. But yeah, definitely day use area, no camping. But yeah, just check this out. Yeah, no, the warm day like today, it's definitely going to get packed out. It's only about 10 o'clock, 10:30 in the morning, and we're already filling up. Anyway, it's a nice little spot there for a day swim, like I said, Black Diamond Lake. And with that, guys, we're going to leave it here. We're going to start heading back home. Hope you enjoyed this small little video, a little overnighter in Collie. And until next time, I'll see you on the road. See you guys.